Hey guys, it's delicious dessert time. These healthy cookie dough bars are vegan and gluten-free. Grab a half a cup of your favorite cashew butter. Grab a half a cup of your favorite almond butter. Mix them together. Add 1/3 cup of maple syrup. Add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Sprinkle in a 1/4 cup of coconut flour. Now add half a cup of almond flour, a pinch of sea salt. I like Celtic sea salt. Add some chocolate chips. I love Lily's because they're stevia sweetened, which makes them low carb and keto friendly. Flatten your dough into your pan. Make it nice and smooth. Now pop your pan in the freezer for 20 minutes. Now let's make our chocolate topping with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 cup of our Lily's chocolate chips. Melt them in the microwave for 45 to 60 seconds. And then mix it up. And when it's smooth and creamy, get ready to drizzle it over your frozen cookie dough. Add another pinch of sea salt, sprinkle on top. Add a couple of chocolate chips on top. Back in the freezer for another 20 minutes. Now slice up these little babies into nice chunky squares. Enjoy! Have a bite. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe if you love this recipe. I sure